Baking pies sometimes take up so much of our time, so we decided to share a recipe that doesn't require it. The snow-baked raspberry pudding pie is filled with a creamy vanilla pudding that you will absolutely love. In a large bowl, add the vanilla pudding, milk, and vanilla extract. Beat with an electric mixer on low speed for 2 minutes. Over a graham cracker pie crust, pour the vanilla pudding mixture. Spread the whipped cream over the filling and place the raspberries on top. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour before dusting with powdered sugar to serve.